Okay, children. Till now we have discussed which one? Rewind exercise from our textbook. In the rewind exercise we have discussed the numbers up to 10,000s and lakhs are also there. Now counting beyond 1 lakh. Okay, after 1 lakh, if there is one more digit, how we can count it? Okay, that is we have to learn. What are the place values I said? First ones place, next tens, hundreds and thousands. Next one 10,000s. Next word lakhs. After lakhs, if there is any other number, how can we count? So first lakh, up to lakh, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digit numbers. It is how much? 1 lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So 1 lakh. It is the 6th digit smallest number. What is 6th digit smallest number? 1 lakh is the 6th digit smallest number. What is the largest 6th digit number? We know largest means you have to write all nines. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. How can you read it? 9 lakhs 99,999. It is the digit. Which digit? Largest 6th digit number. Largest 6th digit number. If you add 1 to it, then what you will get? So do the addition here. Write 1 and do the addition. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1, again 10. What you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 7 digit number you are getting. Okay. What is the 7th place? Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, and next one is 10 lakhs. So what is the 7th digit now? 10 lakhs. Okay. For example, if I write a number like this. Okay. Write the commas first. Where we have to write comma? Hundreds period, thousands period, lakhs period. Hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Here write a comma. Thousands, 10,000s. Write a comma. Now lakhs, 10 lakhs. So what is this number and how can you read this number? Can you read 1 in ones place 5, in tens place 1, in hundreds place 7. So if this number is given 715, okay. 3 is in thousands place, 8 is in 10,000s, 8 tens are 80. So 83,715. So if 2 is given, 2 is in lakhs place, so 2,83,715. But 3 is there in this. Which place it is? It is 10 lakhs place. Okay. 3 tens how much? 30. So 30 lakhs is place value. 30 lakhs plus 2 lakhs means what? 32 lakhs. So it is a hundreds period, it is a thousands period, and it is what? Lakhs period. So how you can read it? 32 lakhs 83,715. Okay. If you separate the number in the commas, then it is easy to read them. Okay. 1, 8, 9, 7, 6, 2, 5. Okay, what is this number? Means first you have to separate them commas. 1, 2, 3. After hundreds you have to write comma. 1, 2, 2, and next every 2 digits you have to write comma. First it is a hundreds place. Hundreds period. It is what? Thousands period, and this is what? Lakhs period. Now how can you read it? In lakhs period 18 is there. So 18 lakhs. 18 lakhs 97,625. That is the number. Okay. 18 lakhs 97,625. It is how many? It consists of how many digits? 7 digits are there in this number. Up to 6 digit numbers means lakhs will enter. If 1 is added to the largest 6 digit number, you will get the smallest 7 digit number. What is smallest 7 digit number? 10 lakhs is the smallest 7 digit number. What is the largest 7-digit number? What is the largest 7-digit number? 9999999. 7 nines you have to write. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So it is lakhs period. 99 lakhs. It is thousands period. 99,000. It is hundreds period. 999. So what is this number? 99 lakhs 99,999. If 1 is added to it, if you add 1 here, what you will get again? What you will get? 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, again 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1. 9 plus 1, 10, again 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and one more digit extended, increased. What is this? It is called crores digit. Crore. So what is this number means? It is nothing but 1 crore. Write the commas. What we can, where we can write 1, 2, 3 after 3 digits. Next after 2 digits, 1, 2. 1, 2. So this number is called what? 1 crore. 1 crore is the smallest which digit? 8-digit number. Okay? Example, I am writing this 8, 49, 16, 134. How can you read this? How can you read? It is a hundreds period. What comes into 100 period? Ones, tens, hundreds. These three comes into hundreds period or ones period. Next, thousands and 10,000s. These comes into thousands period. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. They comes into lakhs period. And last one is what? Crores. Now what is this number? 8 crores 49 lakhs 16,134. Okay? 8 is in crores place, so 8 crores 49 lakhs 16,134. Okay, these are the numbers. If I ask you to write the expanded form for this number, how can you write the expand form? How can you write the expand form? First one, 4 is in which place? Ones place, so directly write 4 only. 3 is in which place? Tens place. 3 tens means 30. Next 1. 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 100. Next 6. 6 is in which place? Thousands place. So write 6,000. Next 1. 1 is in which place? 10,000s place. So 1 into 10. 10,000. 10,000. Next 9. 9 is in which place? Lakhs place. So what you should write? 9 lakhs. Next 4. 4 is in 10 lakhs place. So what we should write? 40. 4 tens are 40 lakhs. And 8. 8 is in crores place. So 8 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it is the expand form of that number. Okay. So we can write the expand form like that. Now direct open exercise 1.1. Okay, what is the first bit? Insert commas and group the digits and express the numbers in words. Okay, the given number, first you have to write commas and you have to write the groups also. After grouping them, write the number name for that. Write the words. In first bit, the first one, exercise 1.1. First bit, first problem A. It is already given in the textbook only. 5 1 6 7 0 7 8. It is given. So first, how can we write commas? How can we write comma? After ones period means hundreds period. How much? Ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds period, you have to write a comma. Next, thousands. Thousands and 10,000s. Then write a comma. Okay. So what we got? 5167078. How can you read this number? So it is which place? It is which period? Ones period means hundreds period. And this is which period? Thousands period. And what is this period? Lakhs period. So how can you read? In lakhs period, what is there? 51. So what we should write? 51 lakh. 51 lakhs. Next, in thousands, what is there? 67 is there. So 67,000. Next one. What is this? It is completely in ones place. Directly write the number. There are no hundreds. So what is this? 78. 78. This is the number. In this way, first you will give a number, write, separate it by commas and group them. After grouping them, write the number name for that. B is given. What is B? 6294119. First write the commas. Where we should write the commas? Ones period means hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds, you have to write a comma. Next, thousands, 10,000s. Then write a comma. First after 3 digits, next 2 digits, next 2 digits. For every 2 digits, you have to maintain a comma. So what is the number you got? 62, 94, 119. So what is this? It is a ones period means hundreds period. Next, it is what? Thousands period. Thousands. And what is this? It is a lakhs. Now write the number name for that. What is in lakhs? 62 is in lakhs. So the number start with 62 lakh. Okay. Next one what? 94 is in thousands. So 94. 94,000. 119. So 119. Okay, it is the number given here. In this way, complete the which one? First bit like this. First separate by commas. After that, group them and write the number name for that. Okay, again one more digit I will do. What is that? One more number also I will complete. Just observe it. C 2 3 3 3 2 0. First write the commas. Okay, write the commas there. 1 2 3. After 3 digits write comma. Next 1 2. So 2 3 3 3 2 0. It is what? Ones group. And this is what? Thousands group. And what is this? It is lakhs group. So how can you write that? In lakhs group, what is there? Only 2. So that's why 2 lakhs. 2 lakh. How many thousands are there? 33. 33 thousands. Next one what? Ones. What is that? 320. So write that 320. Okay, it is the number given in this. So similarly, remaining 3 are there. Do them like this. And second bit, write the numeral for each of the following. Write the numeral for each of the following. So number names are given. You have to write the numerals for them. Number names are given. You have to write the numerals. So first one, the second bit, first A. What is given? 40 lakhs 8,000. 40 lakh 8,000 8,094. Okay, 40 lakh 8,094. Write the numeral for this number. You have to write. Okay, first one 94. 4 is in ones place. 90 means 9 is in tens place. So hundreds are not mentioned. Nothing is there in hundreds place. So nothing is there means you have to take 0. Next thousands. Thousands 8,000 is given. 8 is in thousands place. After thousands we need to have 10,000s. So 10,000s are not there. So take 0. Next lakhs. What is in lakhs place? 40 lakhs. Okay. Now first one, while writing, first 3 numbers should be in ones period. Next 2 numbers should be in which one? Thousands. Next is in lakhs. Okay. Hundreds, tens and ones comes into ones period. Hundreds are not there. So these will comes into ones period. What is that? 94. So write 94 here. But there is no hundreds, write 0. Okay, it is ones period. And next thousands and 10,000s both will come into thousands period. Thousands and 10,000s. Only thousands is given, 10,000s are not there. First write thousands, 10,000s not there, so write take 0 here. And what is in lakhs? Lakhs and 10 lakhs both will comes into lakhs period. 40. 40 means direct write 40. So what is the number you got? Now separate them by commas. After ones period comma, after thousands period comma. So this is the numeral you have to write. 40 lakhs 8,094. Okay. Next B. What is B given? 76 lakhs 76 lakh 4,000 905. Okay, this is given 76 lakh 4,905. I said first you have to write the periods. What are those? Ones period, next thousands period, and next what? Lakhs period. In ones period what will come? Hundreds, tens and ones places. So 900, 9 is in hundreds place and 5 is in ones. So nothing is there in tens place. So first write 905 directly. 905. 5 is in ones place, 9 is in hundreds, nothing is there means write 0. Next one thousands. What will comes in thousands place? Thousands and 10,000s both will comes in thousand period. So 4,000 tens are not there, so direct write 4 is in thousands place and 10,000 0. Next one what? 76 lakhs. Lakhs period. How much? 76. So this is the number we got. 76 lakh 4,905. Okay. Like this, write the second bit. Complete first bit and second bit from exercise 1.1.